We are Abhi and Ivanka. We have been traveling and exploring some exciting places around the world. This time, we are back with a brand new travel series in Indonesia. We are starting our adventure on the island of Java in the wonderful city of Yogyakarta. From breathtaking sunrises to the largest Buddhist temple in the world, to lively bustling streets, and most of all, those gleeful smiles, Yogyakarta stole our hearts. So sit tight, hit subscribe, and let's begin this awesome travel series in Indonesia. Hey guys, welcome to a new travel series in Indonesia. We have just arrived in Yogyakarta, which is a special independent region on the island of Java, and I think it's still ruled by a monarchy. We have spent almost one full day of traveling, and you can see we just arrived at our hotel, and we have dumped our luggage, and we're gonna get out and start exploring this beautiful town.
Let's go!
So you're in a hurry, well you better calm down.
Ivanka is popular.
All friends around you, just join the fun. 'Cause if you're in a hurry, you're missing the point. Should enjoy the fruits of life instead of...
Wow, that was so overwhelming. Our first night in Yogyakarta. We had a really busy shopping street and we have already taken, I think, a kind of 30 pictures with everyone. So it was really cool. And now we are going to look for something to eat.
So come on, let's play.
Wow, it's like crazy busy. We are gonna go try to find some street food.
Forget the rush you're in and find it 'cause
Our first nasi goreng.
the legs are just follow along.
Very good.
Got plenty of time.
So we are trying our first chicken satay. Oh, it's really nice. I wish she heated it, but it's a bit cold.
It's a beautiful day.
So we are back to our hotel. It was a really fun night at Malioboro Street. It's very lively, a lot of nice people. They all wanted to click photos with me and Ivanka, so that was really fun. But it's really chaotic. You also have some people who could be some scammers, but most of them they were wonderful. We also tried a lot of street food, and now we are totally done for the day. We are super tired, so we would go to bed. And tomorrow we will plan to visit Borubudur Temple, which is the biggest Buddhist temple in the world, and also another Hindu temple in Yogyakarta. We've gotten up at 3 in the morning to go to the Prambanan and Borubudur temples. We hear that the sunrise is pretty spectacular, so let's get going there.
We're climbing up to go to the viewpoint to see Borubudur with the sunrise. Made any good shots?
Yeah, perfect. Wow, amazing. Absolutely amazing. So nice. I have absolutely no words. You should definitely visit this place if you're in Yogyakarta.
At the moment we are at the viewpoint and it's called Punthuk Setumbu. It's awesome. It's so beautiful.
Setumbu.
Setumbu.
Hopefully you enjoyed those drone shots. We are gonna make our way to the temple itself now. So, see you.
Hindu temple in Prambanan, Buddhist. You want going to the inside? If you want.
Hey guys, so we just arrived at Borubudur Temple. We bought a combined ticket for Borubudur and Prambanan Temple, which is another amazing site nearby. It's a bit expensive, almost 100 euros for both of them, but it's for 2 people and it's I think it's worth it.
And the good thing is, we thought since Corona it is not allowed anymore to go up the Borubudur. But we got a good surprise because we can! It's 80,000 extra per person, so around €5, so that's totally fine.
That's 80,000 Indonesian rupiah, so we have to get used to that. We will start walking. It's about 300 meters from here, so see you there.
Account YouTube. Oh,
Yes, we
what,
do.
what account?
It's
We
Abhi
will
and
follow.
Yvanka. Let me show you. We're getting 3 subscribers.
Okay.
That is an active volcano. Incredible. We just got finished at the Borubudur Temple. Took us about 4 hours, but we are very tired. So we stopped over in the middle of the road at this nice, awesome place, and we ordered our first real Indonesian food. I must say, what I have here is ayam goreng, which is basically chicken fried rice, and there are some nice green chilies. Pretty cool. Ivanka has ordered some chicken noodle soup, which is soto ayam. All of this together with the juices cost us less than €3, I would say. So come to Indonesia and eat a lot. It's very cheap and very good. That was some spicy food. Next stop, Prambanan Temple. We just arrived at Prambanan Temple. We are very tired, it's really hot. So we are just gonna get around, have a look, hopefully show you guys some cool shots.
And we do it in the shade.
Yeah.
Prambanan, a beautiful Hindu temple close to Yogyakarta. Together with Borubudur, it is one of the biggest sites to see in this area, and it is for a reason. It's magnificent, really big, really great to see. Only thing is, like yesterday, a lot of school people love to go on the pictures with tourists. So we have a fan base over here, and it took a lot of time to go.
Behind us, they're following us.
So it is hot, it is above 30 degrees. So maybe not the best time to go on the pictures for that long. We are heading out back to the car, and we will see what the rest of the day will bring us.
Hey guys, we are back in our hotel. We had 2 very beautiful days in Yogyakarta. We visited 2 very nice temples. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We are having a few drinks now, and in the next 3 days we have a very nice tour coming up to Mount Bromo. We are going to climb an active volcano, so stay tuned and we'll see you in the next one.